Welcome back, guys. If you're looking to add a little edge to your trading and your day trading in the futures market, or you just want to add another little tool to your toolbox to help make you a little bit more successful, let me show you something that I like to use to help semi-automate my executions. And let's go ahead and roll that clip. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive right into this. This is an NinjaTrader 8 platform. If you go up into the connections here, we're going to disconnect from the continuum. Then we're going to connect to the playback connection. Alright, you're going to get this little window that pops up. Lovely little sound notification that you're connected. And I'm doing this just so you can go ahead and see the market move. Because currently the market is not open, and this will help you see how this strategy works here. Alright, I have the 1 minute ES chart up here. This is the chart trader. Chart trader opens up this little section onto your chart, attaching onto it here, and this is a way for you to buy and sell into the market. Alright, and then over here is your SuperDOM. Alright, let's go ahead and into new. You have a SuperDOM dynamic and a SuperDOM static. All right, you're going to utilize the static version. This will pop open here, and I'm going to go ahead and open up dates from Sunday the 12th through Saturday the 18th. It's going to go ahead and load up that data. I want to move closer to the market open. About 9:13 a.m. Central Standard Time. Just going to go ahead and move through the time frame here, and we'll be there shortly. All right. So it looks like whatever happened on the Monday the 13th was a little bit of a sell-off consolidation to more sell-off. It looks like we're kind of stagnant into a consolidation area anyways. On the SuperDOM, you have your price in the middle. Price is currently at 28.1650 in the yellow. The blue or the bold price is what the market makers are touching, asking if anybody wants to buy or sell into that direction. Your chart trader here lists the price in the black flag. Alright. When you open up a chart here, you will not have these crosshairs. Alright. So that is on off if you just want the arrow. Local, got the crosshairs. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and push play so we can see what the market is doing, and it's gonna show you what it does every second. It's the closest you're gonna get to real time without actually being real market time with the market open. All right, so ATM strategy. This is the key here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and describe a couple other things in the SuperDOM before we get there. This is where you'd select your instrument, ES. Your type of order, GTC, day, GTD, the quantity of contracts you wish to trade, and the accounts that you'd be able to go back and forth from trading. All right. Since I'm in the playback connection, the only one I'm going to be able to do is the playback 101. The ATM strategy. It is either going to be none or custom when you first start out. But then you have a chance to add in all the different strategies for the ATM that you wish to add. Alright, so you're going to go into custom. Alright, and then this is going to bring up this little box here. You're going to have the order quantity, and we're just going to start with one contract. Type of order, parameter type, ticks. Target number 1. We're going to have a stop loss of 10 ticks. profit target, 4 ticks. Then you have this stop strategy. You can utilize this as none, and once you enter in, if it goes 4 ticks in your favor, it's going to fill the order for a 4 tick profit. If it goes against you, you're going to have a 10 tick stop loss. All right. Now, the key to this is the stop strategy. All right. So if we go into custom, you have the auto break even, profit trigger. You have fields centered at 0 on both of these. Right. So what the profit trigger is if you were to enter an order in at 28.18 and price goes 3 ticks in your favor, okay, when your goal is 4 ticks, once price meets 3 ticks, your stop loss will move however many ticks you have in this field. Let's go ahead and change that to 1. Okay, we click OK. Then you can save. I'm going to save it as the ATM 1 just for argument's sake here. Then you go ahead and click OK. Now you have to change your strategy to anything else. Anything else you have in your other list, go to none, and then go back to the strategy you've created. This way you just ensure that you're only going to utilize the strategy you just created and not something else. All right. Now, using the left click button on the mouse, you can select to place a limit order to buy or a limit order to sell. Now to sell, you have to be above the price, and to buy, you need to be below the price. Okay, so let's go ahead and put a limit order here in at 17. Blue limit. All right, now in the chart trader, we have a blue line here for the limit order. We're going to see if we can get a fill here. You can see sometimes the price is fluctuating way more than 1 tick. The playback connection only will plot every second. If you wish to move your limit order, left click and move up your order. Okay, if I want to change my limit buy order to a limit sell order, let's short. We'll cancel this order, and I want to short a 28.22 short. See if we'll get filled here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause this real quick. All right, and then we're going to blow this up. Okay, so here's your P&L box here. Right now it says that the price is currently a quarter or 1 tick below my entry. It states that my entry was at 28.22 even. All right, and my profit target is 1 point or 4 ticks to 28.21 with my stop loss at 24.50 here. Now if I wanted to make it a larger profit target, left click this flag and move it wherever I want. Left click to set it in the position where you want. I'm going to go ahead and move it back to our 4 tick profit. All right. I'm going to scroll up here so we get our order here in the middle so we can see what's going on here. Go ahead and push play again and we'll see what happens. Now as this trade develops, if you were to decide, you know what, it's only going to keep going against me, and rather than let it reach my stop loss, I'm just going to cut it short manually. There's a close button right here. This will close the position. It'll stop the strategy right where it's at, and you will fill price at 28.22, roughly, with the possibility of 1 tick of slippage along with your commissions. But that would save you all this room of going to your stop loss if that was what you felt or what your trading plan was going to go through with. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and push play again. As you can see, it's 1 1/4 against me, 1 1/2. If you wanted to speed this up here a little bit, you can go 4 times the speed. All right, slow it back down. Price came back to my entry. Got 2 ticks in our favor. I paused it here. We got the cash register. That's the sound you want to hear. All right, so now this moved my stop loss to 1 tick in our favor from the entry. Price is currently 3 ticks in our favor, with 1 more tick being our profit target. If price retracts closer back to our immediate entry, our stop loss will fill with a 1 tick of profit. Now you can do those numbers however your strategy and your trading plan works out, but this is just what I wanted to show you here. I'm going to go ahead and push play. All right, you get a cash register when you hit the profit target, and fortunately for us, we got the 4 ticks, or the 1 point profit. We entered it at 28.22. We sold at 28.21. Sold the close there on a short, but as you saw, we had a 3 tick. Once profit or price got to 3 ticks in our favor, it immediately moves our profit, our stop loss, our stop loss to 1 tick in our favor from our entry. So we would automatically receive 1 tick of profit minus your fees and commissions before the trade would go against you and you would lose money. Don't have to use it, but it's a great tool to help lock in profits in case the trade reverses against you. So you never want to see a trade go in your favor and then turn around and come against you, and you go, what if? Why did I let it go against me? All right. So I hope this is a nice little tool that you guys can utilize. If you are using NinjaTrader 8, some platforms offer a strategy like that. Not every platform does. So that's it, guys. Not pretty difficult, and actually a really benefit to help lock in some of your profits and to make sure that a green trade doesn't go the wrong direction and end up costing you money. If you like what you heard today, be sure to check out the rest of our videos on the MassES Trading YouTube channel. Don't forget to log into Discord channel, MassES Trading. It's a free community. We like to chat and throw around ideas and see where the market's going today with strategies, helpful links, and of course always educating everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and throw a little comment section down here in the bottom here if you want to hear more. If you have any questions, I'm always available. Thanks a lot, guys, and have a great day.